Welcome! In front of me I have ZTE Watch K1 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be this battery icon. And to enable the power saving mode, tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. Basically you have access to the phone book, a dial pad because you can still call, you have access to time, and the date and the battery. And basically everything else is blocked, so you won't waste the battery life or charge. And if you want to exit the power saving mode, you need to swipe left on this screen, tap on exit, tap on the check mark to confirm, and you will go back to the normal mode. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.